all about heart-healthy foods. Registered dietitian Michelle Jaelin has some delicious ways, and she's going to give me a little bit of a test here to figure things out, right?
Yes, so February is Heart Health Month, and what I like to do instead of focusing on what not to eat, focus on what to eat in terms of nutrients. And we're going to play a little game. It's going to be called Guess the Nutrient. We're going to start right here. Okay, these foods are very colorful. They're often plant-based, and they help fight free radicals in the body. Do you know what it is?
As soon as you say free radicals, I know what it is. It's antioxidants.
Ooh! And you are right.
What do I win? A blueberry.
That is antioxidants. Okay, so yeah, they're really great for heart health, protect our heart against disease. So moving on, our next one, this nutrient helps keep you regular, and it's good for digestion.
Oh, it's fiber.
That is correct. And you know what?
Yeah.
Here's an interesting thing about, you're really good at this.
Well, I've kind of done a few registered dietitian segments in my time.
Okay. So I'm
learning.
Yes, you are. So here's an interesting fact about fiber is that even though 90% of Canadians said fiber was the most important nutrient to get in their diet, only about 65% actually did, right? So when it comes to fiber, I say go with grains. So in a way you can do that, grains are really good. So here I've got, you can make a quarter of your plate right here, grain. So here I have a pasta, right?
Okay.
And that's a quarter of the plate. Quarter is protein and half is vegetables. And it's a win-win-win with grains because not only do you get fiber, you also get B vitamins and iron, right? When it comes to bread, go for like a whole grain bread. You get your B vitamins, you get your fiber, and oatmeal.
I love oatmeal.
Do you? What a great morning breakfast, like especially around this time of year, something warm, something comforting. Oatmeal is fantastic.
And it really fills you up so that you don't eat the donut, but you saw me sneak in a donut today.
That's okay. Everything in moderation, right?
Snow day, yes.
So a great website for people to go to for more recipe ideas is goodineverygrain.ca. It's by Grain Farmers of Ontario.
Okay, all right. Moving on to our next one.
Okay, this is a healthy fat, okay? And it helps fight inflammation in our body and can help prevent things like heart disease and strokes.
Okay, as soon as you said healthy fat, see, my guess was going to be healthy fat, but there is a specific type.
Specific healthy fat.
I don't know.
Okay, this one is...
Oh, omega-3.
Omega-3 fats.
Ah, yes.
So whenever I think of omega-3 fats, I think of fatty fish. I think of salmon. I think of sardines. Canned is fine, right? Mackerel, anchovies. And then plant-based ones are walnuts, which are really good, and flaxseed, which will go great on your oatmeal.
Okay. And flaxseed, you're supposed to grind it, right?
So you know what? I actually think it's better if it is grind because like the nutrients are more readily available, but you can also buy it grind.
Okay.
Yeah, you can buy flaxseed meal or just flax.
Okay, and we have a little bit more than a minute left.
Okay, so this one is a bit of a tricky one. It is a mineral and it starts with the letter M. It helps with the different chemical processes in the body. It helps regulate our blood pressure.
Magnesium?
Ooh, you got it. Oh, magnesium, that's great.
Only because you told me it was an M. I was going to guess that it was iron because I saw the spinach there and I thought for sure that's got to be it.
So magnesium, there isn't a lot of magnesium deficiencies. However, those are foods that registered dietitians often encourage people to eat more of. I always think leafy greens, right? Leafy greens, legumes, bananas are good sources, avocados, pumpkin seeds, and a nice fun one is actually dark chocolate.
I'm in.
Yeah, it's a good source of magnesium. Goes great with green tea, which has antioxidants. Chia seed is another great one as well.
So there's lots of food that have multiple benefits, right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
And it's a good idea, like you say, don't kind of, okay, I can't eat that. Look for stuff that you can eat and that you should eat more of.
Yes, of course. Yes. So and lots of different choices, you know, eat the rainbow, as we always say, too. And that's a really good way to eat for Heart Health Month.
Okay, awesome. Thanks for coming in and
Thank you for having me.
What did I win? Oh, a blueberry. That's it. I should win a chocolate bar instead.
Yeah, you should get the chocolate bar.